Hi, it's Nina. Swear. We're doing She Ratchet cover. She is in the month. She Ratchet! Her legs front is all wrong. She Ratchet. I'm finna take this out for picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. Finna put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with the shoes on. Cause you ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her. Hey. She ratchet. Oh, stand up. Ooh, she finna say. Cause she ratchet. Girl, let me tell you what I got my girl what? A baby what? And you came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm crazy, but I still hit it. Cause I'm in the middle of the floor. Now shoot. What's up? I had to get cute today. I was watching Fervor and I had to keep it looking good. My baby just made that hit shoes today. Need new shoes today. Child support get two today. Got some tracks yesterday. Girl, this gets a good. You know it. Y'all be fit up. Move, check. Get out my way. It's the 15th. I got my footsteps. Brand new pips. Brand new tech. $95 for this weed plus tax. Wow. Anything on this map. Sorry. No we have this case along. Thinking that you better than I am more than you think. She lie. My number. Boy bye. Be quiet. Hey girl. You working it. Get it, get it, get it. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Oh, cause she ratchet. Let me take this house a picture. She ratchet. Got it. And put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. She ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Cause she ratchet. Touch it. She ratchet. Oh shit. Cause she ratchet. You know, whatever my girlfriend told me, Cardi. We get married party. Yes, I am the best. You can't let this boo boo sorry. Cause two changes my future, baby. Yeah. Mari got my jersey just so. Jordan Hills match my purse. Pow, team dark skin. We don't like no marathons. That's what's in my pictures. New Abby got on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. She don't shut it up. I'm with Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team That. Team with your man if he got a lot of money. I'm with Team He Pay. I mean, he might as well spend it on me because you ain't look like nothing. Bye, girl. What you gonna do? Right? Oh my God. She's so stanky. What does she have on? She ratchet. Her legs front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Cause she ratchet. Got it. Gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. She ratchet. Boy, bye. Not with your shoes on. Cause she ratchet. She ratchet. Oh, she's so bad. Cause she ratchet. Follow me you don't know what it is. I think it's at Nina I love you. I don't know for sure. No, it's at Nina at KNENUHHHH and at Miralis Miller MeraLitous. She's trying to be cute, but she ain't cute. Okay, bye.